Hi, welcome to Easy Rider. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends and family to help me grow so I can share my videos with more people. Thank you. Right. Today I'm doing MrG's No GoPro, No Problem Dog Collar Challenge. After several tries, I had to give up on the dog collar thing, and I could not get it in landscape view clipped to the dog collar so you could see anything. So anyway, I have it clipped to a strap around my chest. So maybe I'm not really completing the challenge, but I am doing no GoPro, no problem, because this is my phone. I want to thank MrG for putting that challenge up there. It's always good to try different things. And I'll put a link to his channel so you can check him out. He's got some cute little dogs. He's got a nice Dyna. He tells good jokes and stories. And I want to give a shout out to Blue Bike and Doyle. He shouted me out, put a link to my channel in his video, which I don't know how to do. And down in the comments, I'll put a link to his channel in the comments too. He's very funny, lives in a very beautiful area in Georgia. All of his videos are just absolutely beautiful scenery, and I got a problem here. It's hung up on something. I don't know how it got down there in the first damn place. I'm going to have to pull over. We have to pull over here. Get this thing fixed. I don't know what the heck happened here. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, there. Not that I'm using the radio, but I really don't want that swinging in the breeze. Anyway, Blue Bike and Doyle does really pretty rides in Georgia there, and he does mail call where people send him things, and he shows them off stickers. And his shed is really cool. He's got Lucille from The Walking Dead in there, and if you don't watch it, Lucille is a bat that a character named Negan used to take out The Walking Dead and some of his human enemies. And he's got a nice dog, nice looking dog, beautiful bike. But he can tell some good stories too, so check him out. I'll put his link down in the comments. He's always going right here, or is it right here? I don't know. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to put that in the video. But his link, both of their links, MrG and Blue Bike and Doyle, will be in the comments if you want to check them out, and you really should. they are very amusing characters. And Blue Bike and Doyle is very good to us small YouTubers. He's always promoting small YouTubers. Try to get us some more business. There's Jurassic Park. Oh, I missed the dinosaurs. Those are just winged horses there. I missed showing you the dinosaurs, but they're in some other videos. You can, if you look at some of my old ones, you'll see them in there. It's a humid, cloudy day today. I don't know how long this humidity is going to last. It's a bit early. Usually it starts around the 4th of July. Yes, it does get humid in Arizona. Just not for as long as it does in places like Georgia and South Carolina and Florida, the Midwest. I also want to direct you over to Whit Mesa's channel. She's, I forget where she's at. Kansas? Nebraska? I don't remember. She says it's all flat there. She was having a particularly rough day the other day. Took her husband to the airport. He's in the service, he's being deployed, so that was rough on her, and then her bike wouldn't start. But she had a problem and she solved it. She's okay. But check her out. Send her some encouragement and some support with her husband being in the service, being deployed. I'll put a link to her channel down in the comments too. We've got to support our military families. It's not just the ones that are in the service that are doing the sacrifice, their whole family, their spouse and children, their mother and father, their brothers and sisters, they're all missing them too. They're all having to sacrifice. There's Granite Mountain over there. I always point that out and some here. Now we're going to go on a road here. People call it 21 curves. I've never counted the curves in it, so I don't know. But it's not real long. It just takes you from here on Williamson Valley Road over to Willow Creek Road. And that's just to pull out. Here it is. Sylvan, Sylvan Drive, but people call it 21 curves. It's a real pain in the neck when there's snow and ice on the road here. Even though the only time I ever come on here in the winter is in a four-wheel vehicle. But it's kind of pretty up here. It's all in the forest. speed demon in the twisties. I used to like it, but hurts my neck, back, shoulders, hands. Well, everything hurts them anyway, but that just makes it even worse, so I don't do it anymore. Plus, this is a residential neighborhood. When you know it, I got here on the day when all the trash bins are out. Seems like more than 21 curves to me, but I've never been able to count them. I always end up losing count. And this is the end of it, coming out here on the Willow Creek Road. And I got to go to Walmart and get me a lamp bulb. The front marker lamp on my fender is out. The extra bulb I had, apparently that was an old one too, because it didn't work either. Either that or I got a wiring problem. But bulbs are a lot easier to replace than go running down the wire problem, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to buy a new bulb. Take care of that. On me phone. Ooh, man, this humidity is rough. Not a fan of humidity, unless maybe it's 60 degrees, and that's not bad, but we got 86 today, right now. Makes the humidity bad, uncomfortable. See if Walmart's got their service center, auto service center open yet. I still need to get the oil changed on my truck. Not allowed to do it where I live. And I'm not going to pay the dealer what they want to do it, or some of these other shops. I can get the yep, they're still not open. Damn, what's the matter with them? Get the Pit Crew oil change, it's called now. It used to be called Super Tech oil change. Now it's called the Pit Crew. It's 20 bucks. Plus whatever a quart of oil costs, because it only includes 5 quarts, and my my truck takes 6. And no handicap spaces, so I gotta do it this way.